Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm replacing the motherboard of a Samsung S10. And it all started because of a possible scam involving a phone unlock. Right now, the phone is locked to Vodafone. And I wanted to use a different network. I tried using the Express Unlocking website and I already paid almost £48 for an unlock code, but it didn't work. Then they asked for another £28 for a so-called master code. When I reached out, their responses were rude and unprofessional. At that point, I reported them as fraud, and thankfully, Revolut refunded me in full. Safe to say, I don't recommend Express Unlocking website. Instead, I bought an unlocked Samsung S10 motherboard for just £30. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, now is the perfect time to join us. By subscribing, you will get access to step-by-step repair guides, unboxing videos, and useful DIY tips to save money and improve your skills. Now let's get to the repair. Replacing the S10 motherboard is about a 5 out of 10 in difficulty level. Something you can definitely do at home if you are careful. First, I'm loosening the backlash with a heat pad, then I remove a few screws. Pop off the plastic shield using a pry tool and disconnect the battery and all other components. After that, I unscrew the board and take it out. Here is the new motherboard, and here's the old one. There is nothing different between these two motherboards, only the storage, and the new one is also factory unlocked. Now I'm installing the new board, securing it with screws, reconnecting everything, and reattaching the shield. Time for a quick test. And yes, the new motherboard is fully unlocked, just as the seller promised. Now that everything checks out, I will clean off the old adhesive with isopropyl alcohol, apply new adhesive for water resistance, and reattach the back glass. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check our other content and support the channel for more repair videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.